Hi, I'm Dino with One Tom Plumber, and today we're going to show you how to clean and replace an aerator on your bathroom sink. First of all, let me tell you what an aerator even is. If you've ever noticed at the bottom of your faucet, whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom faucet, there's a little nib or a housing, what you'd call it, where the water pours out from. That is your aerator. It's stuck within a housing, and a lot of times as you're working throughout your house, you're working on plumbing pipes, water heater, whatever, sediment, scale will build up, fall off, go through your pipes, and then somehow land at the end of your faucets where that aerator catches it. Unfortunately, that also causes lack of water pressure, spraying water as opposed to soft water coming out, and that's what we're here to replace and fix. Okay, now I'm going to talk about tools for the job. There's basically two tools you might need. One, the channel lock you probably will need, and the second is needle nose pliers, which you might need, maybe not. That's only if something gets stuck up in the faucet pipe and you can't quite reach it. All right, now I got a tip for you on using your channel lock. You want to take some masking tape and wrap it around the grooves of your channel lock. That's going to prevent you from, or your channel lock from, scratching up and denting the housing of your aerator as you're trying to untighten it. Another tip for you is just get a towel. Just keep a towel with you. Place it, if your pop-up's not working in your sink, one good use for it is just place it over there so that you're not having anything go down the drain that shouldn't go down the drain. And the other use for it is trying to untighten this thing might make you a little sweaty. So notice what happens when there is debris or scale or any kind of buildup in that aerator. Notice when I turn on the water here, notice that there's spray coming out everywhere. It's all displaced. Okay, so now I'm just going to unscrew the channel lock. I will be honest with you, we kind of did a pre-test on this because it was really tight and took a lot of effort. But as you'll see now, the housing comes off really easily. Let's check this out. Here's the housing, and the aerator is this piece right here. And let's open that up if I can and see if we got any, we got any buildup. That's where all the spray and the erratic spray is coming from. So we want to gently clean that out. Get your towel out. Basically just pour it out of there. And if you need to use your needle nose pliers, you probably won't. You can just get the rest out, or even just pour some water in there and help you get the rest of it out. And then we can go back to replacing it. All right, so you saw how we removed and cleaned out the aerator and the hosing. Once that's done, all you have to do really is screw it back on and you're good to go. And I'm going to show you in just a second here how the water now comes down as it should. All right, and there you have it. We've cleaned the aerator. Everything's working as it should be, and you'll notice that there's just one stream coming out, and it's nice and soft, being aerated basically by the aerator. And that's all you need. If you have any more questions, you can always call us at One Tom Plumber. We're always available. We're an immediate response plumber, drain, water damage, and excavation company. And you're good to go.